Ultra-long-range electric cars are vehicles that can travel far distances on a single battery charge. They offer many benefits for drivers, such as convenience, cost savings, and environmental friendliness. However, they also face some challenges and limitations that need to be overcome. In this section, we will explore some of these issues and how they can be solved. One of the main challenges of ultra-long-range electric cars is their high price. These cars use advanced battery technology and materials that are expensive to produce and maintain. For example, the Lucid Air Dream Edition R, which has a range of 520 miles, costs $169. The Tesla Model S Plaid Plus, which has a range of 837 kilometers, costs $149. These prices are out of reach for many consumers who want to switch to electric vehicles. Another challenge is the availability and accessibility of charging stations. While ultra-long-range electric cars can reduce the need for frequent charging stops, they still need to be plugged in at some point. However, not all places have enough public charging stations that are compatible with different models and brands of electric cars. Some charging stations may also be occupied or out of order, causing delays and frustration for drivers. A third challenge is the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. Although ultra-long-range electric cars emit zero tailpipe emissions, they still have a carbon footprint from the manufacturing and recycling of their batteries. Batteries contain rare metals and minerals that are mined from the earth, often in countries with poor labor and environmental standards. Batteries also have a limited lifespan and need to be replaced after a certain number of cycles. This creates waste and pollution if they are not properly disposed of or recycled. So how can these challenges and limitations be overcome? One possible solution is to lower the cost of ultra-long-range electric cars by improving the efficiency and scalability of battery technology. This could involve using cheaper or more abundant materials, such as lithium iron phosphate or sodium-ion batteries, or developing new methods of battery design and fabrication, such as solid-state or metal-air batteries. These innovations could reduce the cost per kilowatt-hour of battery capacity and make ultra-long-range electric cars more affordable and accessible. Another possible solution is to expand and improve the charging infrastructure for electric vehicles. This could involve building more charging stations across different locations and regions, especially along highways and in rural areas. It could also involve standardizing the charging connectors and protocols for different models and brands of electric cars, or enabling wireless charging through induction coils embedded in roads or parking lots. These measures could increase the convenience and reliability of charging for drivers. A third possible solution is to minimize the environmental impact of battery production and disposal by adopting more sustainable practices and policies. This could involve sourcing battery materials from ethical and responsible suppliers, using renewable energy sources to power battery factories, or implementing circular economy principles to reuse and recycle batteries. It could also involve educating consumers about the proper care and disposal of batteries, or incentivizing them to return their old batteries for recycling or refurbishment. These are some of the current challenges and limitations of ultra-long-range electric cars and how they can be overcome. By addressing these issues, we can make ultra-long-range electric cars more viable and attractive for the future of driving. What are some examples of ultra-long-range electric cars that are available or in development and how they compare to conventional cars? Ultra-long-range electric cars are vehicles that can travel far distances on a single battery charge. They offer many benefits over conventional cars, such as lower emissions, lower maintenance costs, and more convenience. In this section, we will look at some of the most impressive ultra-long-range electric cars that are available or in development and how they compare to conventional cars. One of the most anticipated ultra-long-range electric cars is the Lucid Air Dream Edition R. This car claims to have a range of 520 miles on a single charge, which is the highest among any electric car in the world. The Lucid Air Dream Edition R also boasts a stunning design, a luxurious interior, and a powerful performance. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 168 miles per hour. The Lucid Air Dream Edition R is expected to launch in late 2023 with a price tag of $169. Another ultra-long-range electric car that is already available is the Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S has a range of 405 miles on a single charge, which is the second highest among any electric car in the world. The Tesla Model S also features a sleek design, a spacious cabin, and a high-tech dashboard. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Tesla Model S also comes with autopilot, which is a driver assistance system that can steer, accelerate, and brake for you. The Tesla Model S starts at $79. More affordable ultra-long-range electric car is the Tesla Model 3 Long-Range. The Tesla Model 3 Long-Range has a range of 358 miles on a single charge, which is the third highest among any electric car in the world. The Tesla Model 3 Long-Range also has a modern design, a comfortable interior, and a responsive touchscreen. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 145 miles per hour. The Tesla Model 3 Long-Range also comes with autopilot and has access to thousands of superchargers across the country. The Tesla Model 3 Long-Range starts at $48. Other ultra-long-range electric cars that are worth mentioning include the Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 Plus, which has a range of 350 miles, the Lucid Air Grand Touring, which has a range of 516 miles, the Tesla Model Y Long-Range, which has a range of 326 miles, and the Toyota Mirai FCV, which has a range of 402 miles using hydrogen fuel cells. As you can see, ultra-long-range electric cars are becoming more common and more advanced than ever before. They offer many advantages over conventional cars, such as lower emissions, lower maintenance costs, and more convenience. They also have impressive designs, interiors, and performances that can rival or surpass those of conventional cars. Ultra-long-range electric cars are changing the future of driving by making it more sustainable, enjoyable, and accessible.